We're supposed to be multiplying fractions. One of these things is not like a fraction. What do I do? What's my action? Put it over what? Yeah. Same way you done since you're. Right. That's what I mean.
Schoolhouse Rock 2.
Yeah, that's it. Schoolhouse. I don't know if you could call what my voice rock. It's just a little more on Schoolhouse Red. Alright, so does x plus 2 factor? No. Great. That's one I don't have to do. What about x cubed minus 27? Difference of cubes. 27 is what cubed? 3 cubed. So the factoring for that, I got x plus 2 on the top. On the bottom, I got short piece, long piece. What's the short piece? X minus 3, good job. Try again. 3x plus 9. What times 3 will give you 27? It's got to be that 9. All right. Difference of cubes. What about this one? Will it factor? Does it matter if it factors? It won't factor, just so you know. Because there's nothing that multiplies by 9 has to be 3. That's okay. Because look what's going to cancel. This whole guy cancels that whole. Or gal, I'm not sure what that's from. Oh, I forgot my sound effect. X plus 2. You gotta have fun with this, guys. It gets boring if you don't. And because it's times 1, it's just 1 times x minus 3 is x minus 3. Change it there. Okay. All right. Good news. Let's do one more multiplying, and then we'll do a couple of division. We'll be done. X cubed plus 8 over x minus 2 times x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Lots of factoring methods today. Lots of fun. Factor the top. You put a short piece and a long piece there. That must mean it's what? Some cubed, right? 8 is what cubed? 2 cubed. So we got x plus 2. X squared minus 2x plus 4. X minus 2 doesn't factor. What about x squared minus 4? Difference of squares. Will x squared minus 2x plus 4 factor? Anything multiplied by 4 had to be negative 2. Nope. Oh, yeah, it's just like the one we already got, right? So what's that mean? Yeah, because they're diagonal to one another. What else cancels? X minus 2. What about x plus 2s? Do they cancel? Side by side can't cancel. It's only vertically or diagonally. So our final answer then is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 2. Or, how else could we write that? Good job. You guys are so smart. If you'll turn it in, I will put a grade down. All right, let's look at division. So find the quotient. All right, so we got to go through again the old school way of doing that with fractions like we did in elementary school. So let's start with with an easy one to start off with. P. Did I go with the right letter? Or not? Yeah, okay. Math skills are strong. My alphabet skills are getting weak. Miss Johnson come in the other day and helping kids with A+ issues, and the lesson was alphabetical order, and she was telling me which answer was. Evidently, I was not fast enough to answer the question, and she was trying to tell me, and I was like, well, put words in alphabetical order. Now, what's the rules for dividing fractions? No, that's for addition and subtraction. Flip which one? The second. Keep. No, don't change sign. Just flip it. 12 over 25 times 5 over 4. Flip the second one and turn it into multiplication. Guess what? We've already done multiplication. We know how to do that, right? All we got to do is remember to flip the second one. All gone. 25 and 5, because that's 5 times 5, right? 4 times 3, the 4's cancel. We end up with 3/5. That cancels to b. Crosses out to b. Let's get a polynomial. (7x over 2x minus 10) divided by x squared minus 6x over x squared minus 11x plus 30. It's a division problem. What do? Flip it and change it into a multiplication problem. I'm writing probably an extra step here because you would probably already start factoring that. But you got to remember to flip the second one, or things are not going to work out the right way. Okay? So I flipped the second one, changed it to multiplication. Now all the same rules for multiplication are here. We can cancel vertically, we can cancel diagonally, but either way, we've got to do what first? Factor. So I'm going to factor 7x doesn't factor. I'll get the 2x minus 10. You guys get the other side there. I'm done with my part. You not done with yours yet? I'm just kidding, guys. Numerator. X squared plus, minus 11x plus 30. X method, multiplied by 30, had to be negative 11. Negative 6, negative 5. Can I use a shortcut? Yeah. X minus 6, X minus 5. Denominator. GCF of X, leave in what in parentheses? X minus 6. Once you're there, got everything factored, start canceling things. Vertically, diagonally. Okay. What cancels here? X minus 6 is vertically there. We got X minus 5. And this X cancels that X, leaving us 7 over 2. So division is the exact same as multiplication. You just flip the second one first. Before you start, flip the second one. Then it's the same rules as multiplication. It's no different at all. Okay? All right. This is what you're doing for practice. Several problems here, but this goes for today and tomorrow. You only got about 10 minutes left today. This is what you're going to be working on tomorrow. Tomorrow's work day. Okay? Yeah. So,
Yeah, I didn't come back.
Yeah. I think it's actually.